Tanner, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Bud, quit. I'm trying to show him the snow. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come. He's scared because he don't like this. He's never seen snow before. I don't think. He's scared of the snow. Let's see if we can't take him out here. Now I'm scared of snow. No running. Oh, he did not like the snow. Did not think so. That's those piece. Oh, Bud, don't do that. See a little quick video of the dogs. He did not like the snow at all. Poor Tanner. His first snow. And yes, we got snow. Bud, you're on camera. Don't do that. Alright, y'all. In this short video. Bye.